Hello everyone, welcome back to Sparoria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to rename hotspot on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who oftenly use the hotspot, so you must be change your hotspot name so that it will be more easy to recognize to other device that you want to connect with. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial on how to change the name of hotspot. Okay guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to the settings menu on your cell phone like this, and then now you can go to about network and internet, and then now you can go to hotspot and tethering, and then after that now you can go to Wi-Fi hotspot, and then you can change the hotspot name, and then after that now you can click OK. So yeah, your hotspot name will change immediately. Okay guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.